Hey people, welcome to Tuesdays. Today we're at Home Depot and I ran into these Huskies. Low profile, I guess they came out with their own nano style sockets, the little short stubbies. And these ones here are the metric, they're in 3/8 and they go, they're from size 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So they're the short stubbies. It says with a hex shank for wrench access, 25% more access versus standard impact sockets. And these ones here are at $29.97. Size 6 all the way to 19. Then they also have the SAE, which are size 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16, and 3/4. Yeah, these ones are the SAE short stubbies as well.
You know you're not supposed to be here, right? You for trespassing? You want me to call mobile PD? You know you're not supposed to be here. You come in here with dogs.
They got the 10-piece low profile impact sockets. So these the SAEs are 10-piece. And the Matrix are 14 pieces. So yeah, well, the SAEs are $24.97 and the Metrics are $29.97. So there you have it. Husky now has the short nano socket sets. I just wanted to report that to you guys, so in case you're looking for some, you can now find them at Home Depot. So that's it for now, people. Keep doing what you do, and I'll see you on the next one.